चलें प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे साथ मिलके सब पढ़ें। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for gate, H for hen, I for ink। चले मेरे साथ सब मिलके पढ़ते जाएं सारे प्यारे बच्चों। J for jungle, K for king, L for lamp, M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for potato, Q for queen, R for ring, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for सब मिलके प्यारे बच्चों बताओ। X for extra, Z for zebra और Y for yogurt, Z for zebra।